Wabarakatuh. I hope you all are fine. Now we are going to start our today's work. Okay, student of class 5, open your workbook at page number 19. We have to answer the questions of novel chapter number 1, Man Cub in the Jungle. The wolf sponsor. Question number 1 is who was Father Wolf's unexpected guest? And the answer is Tabaki. The jackal was the unexpected guest. Second question is why was Father Wolf angry with Sher Khan? And the answer is Father Wolf. Father Wolf was angry with Sher Khan because he had changed his hunting grounds from the bank of the river. Full stop. Question number 3 is what were Mother Wolf's plan for Mowgli? And the answer is the Mother Wolf's plan for Mowgli that she will bring him up as her own cub and time will come when he will haunt Sher Khan. Full stop. Turn the page and at page number 20, question number 4 is how was Mowgli's fate decided? Mowgli's fate was decided on Baloo's good words and at the cost of the bull, comma given by Bagheera. Full stop. Our next question is question number 5. Find the characters of the story in the puzzle with the help of the following clues. We have given a clues 1 to 7 across. In across, we write the given words or a character in a block left to right and down. 8 to 11 clues are given, and in downward we write characters words in up to down form. Okay, students, we have first clue. He came to wolf's den. He came to wolf's den. It is a she comes to wolf's den. She comes to wolf's den. First clue है हमारा mother. M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother. Second is he was known as the mischief maker. Second, Tabaki. T-A-B-A-Q-U-I-I is given in the box. Third one is the name of the tiger. Share. S is given in the box. S-H-E-R-E. Remember the student. Remember student that we have to write all capital letter in the given boxes. Fourth one is he was the most important wolf. He was the most important wolf. Akela. A-K-E-L-A. And fifth one is he was the first one to speak in favor of the man cub. He was the first one to speak in favor of man cub. Baloo. Baloo. B is given in the box. B-A-L-O and O again is given in the box. Sixth one is he was the head of the family. He was the head of the family. F is given in the box. F-A-T-H-E-R. Seventh clue is the mischief maker was not a wolf but a jackal. J-A-C-K-A-L-L again is given in the box. And now we have to do downward, and the clue is the animal called Mowgli by this name when he first came to the jungle. M is given in the box. M-A and man. C-U-B cub. Man cub. Ninth one is she welcomed and adopted Mowgli immediately. She welcomed and adopted Mowgli immediately. It is Mother Wolf. M-O-T-H-E-R-W-O-L and F again is given in the box. 10th one is he paid the price to save Mowgli's life. And it is Bagheera. B-A-G-H-E-E-R-A is again given in the box. Another word for chief. 11th clue is another word for chief. This is leader. L-E-A-D-E-R. Leader. I hope student you have done your all work and understood it. Again learn it and read it again. Thank you very much for watching our video.